Hi guys, today we are going to see the fifth experiment, which is file dominance, advanced operation master in Unix system. The main objective of the experiment is to automate file processing tasks like filtering, searching, file manipulation, file permission, and handling file backups. The theme of the experiment is movie rental system. We have to know about like familiar commands like for moving, for removing, for searching, for creating, and for file permissions and for input output redirections and for text processing commands and some error handlings also. So we'll move on to the questions. The first question is to create a directory structure to represent different components of your theme. So here I have created a genre, five types of genre: action, comedy, horror, customers, and rentals. According to that, the commands will be created and the directory will be created. So here inside the nano directory script file, I've given this command, and after changing the permission and running the program, it will display movie rental directory structure created. The second question is to write a script to search for all file in your theme related directory that contain a specific keyword. So the specific keyword I am giving here is movie rental. So after searching the movie keyword frozen, it will display search completed. This particular command is given inside the content script file. The third question is to perform a file permission audit on your theme directory and modify permission to ensure proper security. So here under the current permission, it is 750. After securing the permission, it will display current permissions and everything. After changing, it will display with all the file names and when it has been changed in a particular directory. The fourth question is to write a script to compare two theme related and highlighting differences. We have to enter two different files. Enter file 1 and file 2. It will show the differences between the two different files. So first file is rented movie text and the second one is selected customer text. Here there is no comparison. There are only four rows that has been displayed here. The fifth question is to automate the process of archiving theme related file older than 30 days. Archiving theme related file is like saving a particular file which is older than 30 days. For that, the command is given here, which will be given inside the archive script file. So first, it is not showing the file directly. After it has been corrected, it will show archive created. The sixth question is to develop a program to list all the files in the theme file. It is a normal command which will be used in our day-to-day systems and command prompts. It will be given inside the list.hs file. After running the program, it will show what other files are there in the particular directory. The next question is to identify duplicate file in your theme. For that, I have given this command inside the duplicate search. There is no duplicate files listed or duplicate file exists. The eighth question is to perform sort of files. The sorting of files will be happening under the sorted movies text, which is given inside the file. The sorted file list will be saved later on in the sorted movies text. The short script file will be having this particular command. After running, it will sort and say whether the sorted file is saved or not. And then after giving it in the particular file, it will run and show the output. The 10th question is to write a script to generate a daily report summarizing all changes in your theme directory. For that, it will save in the text file called report. After running and showing all the movies list and everything, it will generate and it will save in the text file called report. So in this experiment, we have learned about how to use file processing task and how to generate, how to search, how to filter and